Our mission within les Eoliennes en Mer is to develop, build and operate the offshore wind farm of the coast of Dieppe and Le Tréport, a key project for French energy transition. Based in Normandy, this wind farm will consist of 62 turbines of 8 MW each for a total capacity of 500 MW. It will produce around 2,000 GWh per year, which is the equivalent of the electricity consumption of about 850,000 people, 2/3 of the Seine-Maritime department. Talking about environment, les Eoliennes en Mer Dieppe Le Tréport is committed to build this wind farm with the minimum impact on the environment while protecting marine wildlife and in respect with the permits granted.
SOM is a company specialized in marine environmental monitoring. So this includes passive acoustic monitoring, marine mammal visual observation, and all the data processing and interpretation. Our expertise in acoustic maritime work monitoring and Sercel expertise in underwater acoustic instrumentation allow us to propose a customized solution to our clients, Eoliennes en Mer Dieppe Le Tréport.
In the offshore wind farm area, we have 4 species very present, the 𝗂𝗂𝗶𝗲𝗁𝗲, dolphins, and 2 species of seals. The 2 acoustic reduction measures that had to be implemented by EMDT consisted in an acoustic surveillance of the presence of marine mammals in a cold danger area. And SOM, the engineering office, was identified during this call for tender and made an offer in partnership with Sercel. So SOM came up with a proposal from Sercel's 𝗂𝗂𝗶𝗲𝗁𝗲, which consisted in deploying 2 hydrophones directly from the jackup vessel. We had to control the presence of marine mammals before the start of any pile driving operations and between all interruptions. For the control of the presence of marine mammals, the surveillance had to be central, so it had to be on the working vessel, and it had to be easily deployable. This was very convenient because the operability limits of 𝗂𝗂𝗶𝗲𝗁𝗲 are very high. This allowed us to never stop the works because of bad weather conditions.